today we're headed to Appalachia RV Repair and Campgrounds. Taking the RV to have the annual done on it, all the fluids changed, all the safety checks done. A beautiful day today, but man, it's a little cold. Good thing I got the heat on in here. It's like 35 degrees outside, but the sun's shining. That makes it nice. Thought I'd bring you guys along, let you see some of the pretty country we have around here. It's beautiful. This is on I-22 in Alabama. It's about the 70 mile marker, somewhere along in there. We're gonna go to the mile marker 30. So got about another 40 miles or so to go. Then we're gonna go back about an hour from here. My mother lives there, so we're gonna go visit with her for a while. Yeah, we're just coming into Walker County. Beautiful day. Had snow here a few days ago. Look at those skies now, though. Nice blue. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna get back to driving a little bit. Check back in here in a little while. Well, we didn't get the motorhome back today. Apparently one of the filters is on back order. So they'll get it Monday, which for you guys will probably be one day maybe. I don't know, depending on when we get it back next week. They also had to order a circuit board for the heater of the furnace. So they got it in today. So maybe they'll get all that finished up. I don't know. Who likes Whataburger? I love Whataburger. So Kathy and I decided we'd stop and get us a Whataburger. Anyway, we parked in front of this car a while ago that's got a dog. Looked like it was driving the car. It was hilarious. So if I can get another video of it here in a minute, but before Kathy comes back out of the store, I will get a video of that. If not, I took a still picture of it right before I got back in the car. And looks just like his dog is driving this car. Pretty funny. Anyway, I'll keep you up to date on where we're at on getting the motorhome done. Oh, come to find out, it does need a universal joint. Man, that's a story all in itself. I don't know if you guys remember, but it's a Country Coach. Well, Country Coach is not actually in business anymore. Winnebago bought them out. And then when Winnebago decided to sell it out, Oregon Motor Coach bought it. And that's kind of the story on that. Oh, hang on a minute, the dog's up. How funny is that? It looks just like the dog's driving the car. That's hilarious. Wonder if he knows how to use the turn signal. Anyway, all right, see you. Well, we're here at Appalachian Foothills RV. Just got done servicing my vehicle. Everything looks good on it. Generator's running. Had the chassis lube. All the fluids changed. They did an awesome job. Really good place. You guys are ever looking for a good place to have your stuff worked on, bring it to Appalachian Foothills here in Winfield, Alabama. Make sure my steps came in. Yeah, bring it to them in Winfield. They do a great job, reasonable price. Really happy. So let me get on the road here. Well, no trip's complete unless you go to the Loves. Everybody got to go to the Loves. Anyway, getting fuel noisy around here. Got reefers and generator, everything else around me running. See how much this thing will hold. Well, that was half a tank. Ouch. All right, I think we're going to Cracker Barrel. Let's hit the road. Wow, that was noisy out there. Trucks and the reefers and everything else running. Make sure my heat's running back here. It's kind of noisy out there. That was half a tank of fuel is what I needed. What was that? $147 for half a tank. Good Lord, man. Can afford to drive this thing across town, maybe. All right, I think Kathy said she wanted to go to the Cracker Barrel, so I think she's done getting gas too. We're off to the Cracker Barrel. Well, got about an hour left to go home. Forgot to tell you guys about the Cracker Barrel. It was really good. It was real convenient and right beside the Love's truck stop, so all I had to do was pull around the block. But anyway, we don't let dark catch us. Anyway, I'll talk to you again when we get to the shop where I put this thing back in the warehouse for the night. It's supposed to get really cold, so I'm gonna put it up out of the weather. Man, this phone's struggling in the dark. All right, let me get off here and drive. See you. Well, she's back in the warehouse, all sound and safe. Had a good ride. Everything seems to be as it should. So, guess we'll be good to go. Still got to take it to Freightliner, and they're going to put some universal joints in it for me. Got it plugged up and all the batteries back on charge. Anyway, that's about it for this trip. So it's actually pretty good. It's 2.5 hours over, 2.5 hours back. Not a bad ride at all. Came home in the dark tonight. Kathy actually drove her car in the dark through Birmingham tonight. Talk about a milestone. Now, for those of you that don't know, that is a huge milestone for her. A year ago, she couldn't even go outside at night. Now she's driving through Birmingham at night. She said she was stressed out pretty bad, but she did okay. We're back home. All right, well, that's it for this adventure. Glad you guys came along. We'll see you next week. Bye now. How funny is that? It looks just like the dog's driving the car. That's hilarious. Wonder if he knows how to use the turn signal. Anyway. All right, see you.